tunakwenda kujifunza majina ya matunda. Today we are going to learn about fruit names. Alright, so all these are the fruit names that are available. You can find these fruits in Tanzania or in East Africa. Okay, so today's lesson is about fruit names. Alright, okay, let's get started. Okay, starting with Machungwa. 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 These are oranges. In English, we call them oranges. Machungwa, oranges. So these are oranges. Machungwa, oranges. But if you want to say, this is in plural form. If you want to say in singular form, we say chungwa. Chungwa. So chungwa is orange and machungwa are oranges. Alright, so machungwa, these are oranges in English. Nanasi. 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 Nanasi means pineapples. Pineapples, okay? Nanasi. 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 Maembe. Maembe. These are mangoes. Maembe. So this is in plural form. So in singular form, you can call embe. Embe is mango. Maembe, mangoes. Ndizi. Ndizi, bananas or banana. So if singular or plural, ndizi ni ndizi, just ndizi. Ndizi, ndizi. Parachichi. Parachichi. These are avocados. Parachichi, avocados. Parachichi in singular, and in plural form, Maparachichi, avocados. Chenza. Chenza. Chenza, Tangerine. In singular form is Chenza, and in plural, Machenza. Machenza. Pera. Pera is in singular form, and in plural you can say Mapera. Mapera. So these are guavas. Pera is guava, Mapera, guavas, okay? Fenesi. Fenesi, jackfruit. Fenesi. Fenesi. Limao. Limao, lemon. Limao, lemon. Ndimu. Ndimu, this is lime. Pear, this is pear. So in Swahili is pear and English is the same. Is Zabibu. Zabibu, these are grapes. Zabibu, grapes. Alright, this is in singular and plural form, Zabibu. So these are grapes. Papai, papaya. Mapapai, papayas. Okay. Tikiti maji. Tikiti maji, this is in singular. In plural you can say matikiti maji. Matikiti maji. Tikiti maji, this is watermelon. Nazi, coconut. Nazi. Nazi. Tende. Tende, so these are dates. Tende, this is in singular and plural form. Tende. Nyanya. Nyanya, these are tomatoes. Nyanya is the same. There is no manyanya. So nyanya is in singular and in plural form. You can say nyanya, which means tomato, and nyanya, which means tomatoes. So, alright, you understand. And last is tufaha. Tufaha. These are apples. Tufaha. Apple. Tufaha. In plural, you can say matufaha, which are apples. Alright? So, starting with machungwa, nanasi, maembe, ndizi, parachichi, chenza, pera, fenesi, limao, ndimu, pea, zabibu, papai, tikiti maji, nazi, tende, nyanya, tufaha. Okay, so these are the names of fruits in Swahili. Thank you so much. Asante. Kwaheri.